This SRS satellite radio installation kit gives motorcyclists a dedicated SiriusXM Commander touch receiver that feels purpose-built for bikes and powersports dashboards. The compact full-color touchscreen is easy to read at a glance and even responds to capacitive riding gloves, which makes on-the-road control much safer and more natural. A rugged water-resistant rubber case and dust-blocking wrap help the controller survive rain, spray, and grime that would quickly ruin a typical car-oriented receiver. Multiple mounting options, including RAM compatibility, strap mounting, and a clamp for standard handlebars, make it straightforward to get a solid, vibration-resistant install on many different machines. Flexible audio hookups through direct wired FM integration or a traditional auxiliary cable let you tie the system cleanly into almost any existing stereo setup for clear satellite sound. Convenience features like pausing and rewinding live channels, starting songs from the beginning, and blending favorite stations into custom mixes make long rides more enjoyable and less repetitive.